Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Increases in the price of agricultural produce pushed inflation in June. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says inflation in the month was 1.4%. There's a call this evening for local businesses to hold out a little longer amid the pressures of the COVID-19 pandemic. The call comes from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who gave assurances that signs of economic recovery are already appearing. Since the start of the COVID-19 outbreak in Jamaica, several businesses have been barely coping, evidenced by closures, bankruptcy filings, layoffs, and redundancies. Prime Minister Andrew Holness admits that the country is not out of the woods just yet, pointing out that the business community is still reeling from the effects.
Many of them are writing letters to me regarding potential redundancy claims that could come. Many of them are writing, Mr. Speaker, pointing out that their loans are being called. So we are very much aware of the economic challenges that we face.
But he notes that the struggle won't last for much longer, with signs of economic recovery appearing in crucial industries.
We look at the numbers as it relates to the demand for cement, and basically the figures I have seen is that it is at pre-COVID levels, meaning that the demand has increased. The consumption of fuel is not at pre-COVID levels, but it has recovered and getting close to those levels. So those are good signs that the economy is turning.
While responding to the recent Business and Consumer Confidence report, Mr. Holness urged businesses to be patient, highlighting that their resilience will help the economy to rebound faster.
I share my own perspective, Mr. Speaker. I thought it would have been worse. But it shows that there is a residual resilience and a residual confidence in the future. That even with the pandemic, people are still taking an optimistic posture that Jamaica will recover from this stronger.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar at an even $148. The Canadian dollar is selling for $111.61. The pound sterling is going for $195, while the euro sells for $176.83. Now, the JSE index gained 4,474 points today, and the junior market index inched up 25 points. Among the winners were Knoxford Express Services, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Consolidated Bakeries, Key Insurance, and JMMB Group 7.50%. Now on the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, T-Tech, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Jetcon Corporation, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.